Today we're going to teach you how to make the unskateable skateable. Find something that has potential and then sweep your area clean. Once the area is swept to your standard, you're going to have to break out the rub brick. The rub brick can be bought at any Home Depot for around $12. Rub brick wherever you want to grind or slide. Once the area you want to skate has been rub brick smooth, sweep it free of dust. Once your area has been swept free of dust, you're going to have to break out the lacquer. I find it best to use clear lacquer. The most important part to lacquer is where your chucks are going to be grinding. After you're done lacquering, you're going to want to let it set for about a half hour. With your hand, you want to test to see if the lacquer is dry. Once it's dry, you're going to wax over it. It's a good idea not to rub brick over wax. To make sure it's grinding nice, rub your chucks against the lip a few times. This will help break it in. Now it's time to shred. Now that you know, go make some spots.